Hello everyone, welcome to this video on publishing a dashboard in Bold BI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to publish your dashboard to make it visible in view mode. You can publish a new dashboard or an existing dashboard with the same or a different name on the site. Let's get started. First, I will create a new dashboard. On the design page, I will use existing widgets for a sales analysis dashboard. I click the existing tab on the widget panel. I choose Sales Analysis Dashboard. I drag and drop the required widgets and resize them. I preview to check the presentation. After the preview, I need to make the dashboard visible in view mode by publishing it. I click Publish and Publish As. In the Publish dialog, I'm required to fill in fields. This includes the category, which is a folder defining the dashboard grouping for easier access and management. To select, click the drop-down. I choose Sales. Next, Name. By default, the assigned name will be visible. You can change it if you need to. I'll make no change. Next, Description. This is optional. I add the dashboard description. Next, Comment. This is a short note added to a dashboard to share feedback, explanations, or discussions with others. It is optional. I add a comment. Lastly, Mark as public. This allows your dashboard to be visible to anyone, so it can be opened by an anonymous user. By default, this is disabled. To enable it, click the link. You will be directed to the dashboard settings. Enable the Mark dashboards as public. To view the public dashboards or learn more, click the links. Save the changes. Back on the Publish dialog, you can see the option is now visible. To allow your dashboard to be public, enable it. In this example, though, I will skip it. To cancel this whole process, you can click Cancel. To publish the dashboard, click Publish. A prompt to view the published dashboard will show up. I click No. Here you can see the published dashboard under the Sales category. Now, let's see how to publish an existing dashboard. I open the Sales dashboard in Design mode. You can make changes at this point, but I don't need to. In this case, I publish this dashboard without changing the published details. I click the Publish button. I click Yes to open the dashboard. You can see the dashboard. However, to change the published details, I click the Publish tab drop-down and click Publish As. On the Publish dialog, I can customize the details to meet my requirements. If I do not make any changes and try to publish it with the same name, a pop-up will prompt to confirm the published dashboard replacement. If I select Yes, the changes will be made. If I click No, the process will be canceled. In this example, I will change the category to Getting Started Tutorial and click Publish. You can see the dashboard added among the others. To view, click it. In this tutorial, I have shown you how to publish a dashboard in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you would prefer a demo from an expert, select Request Demo to schedule a call. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.